Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Get ready to explore YouTube automation and unlock the secrets to success. I've got 14 tips and strategies that will set you on the fast track to monetization and massive growth. Strategy number 1. Adjust YouTube Studio settings. The first step to boost growth in your YouTube Studio account is simple. Adjust your settings, particularly if you're a new or smaller channel. When uploading videos, disable automatic chapters, as YouTube's AI often generates inaccurate timestamps that can hurt your watch time. It's better to input them manually. Consider switching to a Creative Commons license, which allows others to repost your videos and can help grow your brand. Also, select an appropriate category, like education, to attract the right audience. Finally, enable video and audio remixing and set upload defaults for automatic descriptions to streamline your process. Strategy number 2. Understand AI and YouTube rules. The second important point about YouTube automation that I wish I had known relates to AI and the new guidelines for AI-generated content. If you're using AI-generated content that involves a well-known person's voice, image, or likeness, you must disclose that your video includes AI-generated material. However, if you are using generic voiceovers from sources like 11 Labs that don't feature any celebrities, you are not required to make this disclosure and can still monetize your content. Many of my channels remain monetized even while utilizing AI voiceovers without any disclosure, consistently generating revenue from ads. However, it's essential to disclose if you use celebrity voices or modified images. Strategy number 3. Don't reinvent the wheel. You don't have to invent something new when starting a YouTube channel. Many successful faceless channels have achieved significant views from their first videos. For example, one channel gained 14,000 subscribers and 100,000 views with just 9 videos, while another earned 800,000 views on its first upload with only 14 videos and 77,000 subscribers. Their success stems from effective thumbnail design, using a consistent style with dark backgrounds, white text, and red highlights, inspired by the Diary of CEO. A valuable tool for identifying popular content is VidIQ, which highlights unicorn videos that outperform others. By analyzing competitor channels in your niche, you can see which topics resonate well, helping you validate your ideas without feeling pressured to innovate completely. Strategy number 4. Utilize the Community tab. The fourth point is that you can expand your YouTube channel without producing new videos. By effectively using the Community tab, which is accessible to most channels, you can attract a significant number of views and subscribers through community posts. For instance, one channel garnered 26,000 votes on an image poll, and some polls even hit 40,000 votes, despite having only 32,000 subscribers. This indicates they are reaching new audiences through the Community tab. I have also implemented this on my channel, and we are seeing an increase in subscribers and views solely from community posts. The most effective posts are simple image polls. To create them, navigate to the Community tab, select Image Poll, and ensure it's a straightforward question. You can brainstorm ideas with ChatGPT or Google. Strategy number 5. Consider monetized channels. Moreover, many individuals spend excessive time, money, and effort before achieving monetization, which can sometimes take months. However, you can get instant monetization by visiting dfidave.com/monetization to purchase an already monetized channel, allowing you to earn revenue from day one without wasting time on potentially unprofitable content. Strategy number 6. Focus on key metrics. When focusing on your channel, it's important to consider the metrics that matter. YouTube is in competition with other social media platforms. Recently, my girlfriend and I opened the YouTube app, found a video, but left after 10 seconds because it was dull, opting to watch Netflix instead. This scenario represents YouTube's concern, viewers getting bored and switching to other platforms. Consequently, YouTube promotes channels and videos that keep viewers engaged longer since this increases their revenue. Thus, average view duration is crucial, as keeping viewers engaged leads to longer viewing sessions. Strategy number 7. Optimize titles and thumbnails. The click-through rate CTR is crucial for encouraging views, and optimizing your title and thumbnail can significantly enhance this. Ensure that your title and thumbnail work together effectively. For instance, instead of using a repetitive title like Luxurious Lifestyle of Billionaire Home, with the same phrase in the thumbnail, opt for a more engaging title like Top 10 Most Luxurious Cars in the World 2024, while the thumbnail highlights Top 10 Most Luxurious Cars. This approach maximizes the limited space to entice viewers. A strong example is the title, Why Snapchat Will Disappear in 1 Year, paired with a thumbnail that reads, How Nick Will Never Pay Taxes by Not Owning This, effectively grabbing attention and increasing views. Strategy number 8. Recognize competition. Now, addressing the current landscape. Since moving to Bali, I've noticed a growing number of people with YouTube automation channels. This trend wasn't prevalent 4 years ago, indicating increased competition, as YouTube now has over 113 million active channels. However, 9 years ago, when I started, people were already claiming YouTube was saturated. I could have easily thought, there's too much competition, I won't pursue this, but I chose not to, and perhaps that mindset could apply today as well. Strategy number 9. Understand copyright laws. Point number 9 is about copyright awareness. You cannot simply upload someone else's videos to YouTube, as this will not lead to monetization. Even if you manage to get monetized, there's a risk of being demonetized if you use copyrighted content, like music or trailers. You need to create original content or utilize material with a Creative Commons license. Strategy number 10. Expect subpar early videos. It's also important to accept that your first 100 videos are likely to be of low quality. When I began with a channel focusing on SpongeBob mistakes, my early videos were poorly produced and lacked editing. Despite this, I still garnered 42,000 views and gained about 6,000 subscribers. It was a valuable learning experience, and had I stopped due to my initial video quality, I wouldn't have achieved my current results. Strategy number 11. Engage viewers from the start. Number 11 highlights the fact that viewers care more about the topics you discuss rather than you or your channel. Therefore, avoid starting your videos with phrases like, Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is... People are drawn to your video based on the title and thumbnail, so captivate them with engaging content from the outset. Strategy number 12. Diversify revenue streams. Emphasizes that YouTube ad revenue is merely a bonus. While we do earn from ad revenue, the bulk of our income comes from affiliate links, sponsorships, brand deals, and both digital and physical products. Even channels generating substantial ad revenue don't rely on it as the primary income source. Strategy number 13. Distinguish between faceless YouTube and automation. Point 13 clarifies the distinction between faceless YouTube and YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube entails being the creator of the channel without showing your face or recording on camera. This may involve writing scripts or generating voiceovers using tools like 11 Labs, but you are still responsible for content creation. In contrast, YouTube automation means outsourcing the entire content creation process to freelancers. You hire people to handle script writing, video editing, and thumbnail creation, allowing you to concentrate on managing the business and establishing systems. Strategy number 14. Simplify video editing. Lastly, point 14 is the realization that video editing isn't as critical as you might assume. I have invested heavily in video editing, including elaborate animations and motion graphics, yet sometimes the simplest videos outperform those with extensive editing. For example, a video I recorded on a webcam with no editing received 100,000 views, while a heavily edited video from the same channel only amassed 4,000 views. This highlights that simplicity often resonates better with viewers. Thanks for tuning in. Now that you know the importance of effective thumbnails and how to analyze your competition, I'd love to hear from you. What strategies are you considering for your YouTube channel to stand out? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on growing your YouTube automation business. Join us at Profitability Plus, where we turn your passion into profit.